is up, guys? Welcome back. Today, guys, we're gonna go to the beach. As you know, because of this corona, we weren't able to go anywhere, so we were only staying home, doing nothing as usual, like the entire of the world. So now that restrictions are going down and down, so now we're gonna go and enjoy a day at the beach. Let's see how this summer 2020 is gonna be. Let's go. Before we go, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. It will help the channel and keep me motivated to do more content. Let's go. Chilling. You can see behind me, this one is one of the stadiums that's going to be for 2022 for the World Cup. It's the one that's made all out of containers. How crazy is that? Alright guys, that's a wrap. We spent the entire day in the beach. It was a pleasant day, it was a nice day. Thank you, I'll see you on another vlog. Peace.